Let me ask you something. If you could make $1,000 every single month using AI, what would that actually change for you? Maybe it covers your bills. Maybe it reduces pressure. Maybe it just proves to you that this actually works. Because let's be honest, $1,000 a month is not crazy. It's not hype. It's not unrealistic. But for most people, it still feels out of reach. Not because it's impossible, but because they don't have a clear plan. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I would do if I wanted to build a consistent $1,000 per month income with AI. No shortcuts. No magic. Just a simple system that actually works. First thing I would focus on is choosing the right foundation. Because not all AI methods are built for consistency. Some ideas make money once, but they don't repeat. And what we want is repeatable income. So if I was starting today, I would choose something simple and scalable. For me, that would be content plus simple service, because this combination gives you two things: attention and income. Now let's break this down step by step. Step 1. I would focus on content. Not perfect content. Not viral content. Just consistent content. Because content does one very important thing. It brings people to you. Instead of you chasing clients all the time, your content starts doing the work. And this changes everything. So I would start posting simple videos, simple ideas, simple messages. Not overthinking. Not waiting. Just showing up. Now while I'm creating content, I'm also doing something else in the background. I'm offering a simple service. Something like content writing, video scripting, basic AI content help, nothing complicated. Just something useful. And this is important. Because this is how you start making money early, while your content is still growing. Now here's how this connects. Your content shows people what you can do, and your service gives them a way to work with you. So instead of hoping for money, you create a system. Content, right pointing arrow; attention, right pointing arrow; service, right pointing arrow; income. Now let's talk numbers. To reach $1,000 per month, you don't need anything crazy. You can break it down simply. $100 times 10 clients or $50 times 20 clients or $250 times 4 clients. That's it. When you look at it like this, it becomes real, not overwhelming. Now the next step is improving your output. Because once you start getting results, you don't stop. You improve. Better content. Better structure. Better delivery. And this is where AI becomes powerful. Because it allows you to work faster, create more, test more ideas. But remember, AI is not doing everything. You are still guiding it. You are still improving it. That's what makes the difference. Now here's something most people ignore. Consistency. Because this system only works if you keep going. Not for a few days. Not for a week. But long enough to see results. And this is where most people stop. Right before things start working. Now let's talk about scaling. Once you start making money, you don't restart. You don't change direction. You do more of what works. More content. More reach. Better service. And slowly, you increase your pricing. Because as you improve, your value increases. And now you're not just making $1,000, you're building something bigger. But it all starts here. With a simple system. Now let me bring everything together. If I had to build a $1,000 per month income with AI, this is exactly what I would do. Create simple content consistently, offer a simple service, use AI to work faster, focus on value, stay consistent, scale what works, that's it. No complexity. No confusion. Just a clear path. And if you follow this, you will see progress. Maybe not instantly, but steadily. And that's what actually works. So if you've been feeling stuck, or like this is not working for you, you don't need a new idea. You need a better system. And now you have one. If you want more videos like this, simple, real, and practical, make sure you subscribe. Because here, we focus on what actually works. And in the next video, I'll show you how to scale this beyond $1,000. See you in the next one.